So the right rear brake on my van has been making a crazy noise. Do you imagine sometimes how the devil screaming would sound? Well, that's exactly how it sounds. It's been like that for the past 2 weeks. We've checked the problem with my dad, and apparently the pads are gone and we've taken most of the disc with them. So now I gotta change all of that. It was crazy because last week there was a moment when I couldn't even brake. Well, couldn't. It was difficult to brake. I don't have the right key, but I'm going to try to assemble something without breaking. Doesn't work. Never mind. Okay, I think I found something that might work. Oh my. Nice. Nice. Okay. I gotta take the brake off, I think. Never done this before. I can't leave the camera there. Maybe like that? You see anything? Like that? I don't know how to get this off. Oh yeah. Now I can sort of be dry, I guess. I'm not sure what I have to do, but I'm gonna try. I'm really not sure. Dude, that's screwed on really tight. Oh my god. That is a horrible place to get a key in there. Za dużo poszło, wiesz? To już zawsze. Pokażę, jak to robię. Okay, it took about the time I thought it would take. 3 hours. Okay. My dad and I changed the brakes. Now I'm gonna go test them. So for my little test, I'm gonna drive to Bern, which is about an hour away. That'll give me the opportunity to try the brakes downhill, on the highway, and in the city. But first, for a little swim in the lake. All right, I woke up in Bern today. The night was great. And I gotta say, the road felt amazing yesterday. It really felt like I had new brakes on. Clearly nothing to declare. I mean, the job was very well done. So I think that the only thing left to do now is to go for a swim. Gee, swimming in that river is awesome. The river just takes you. There's no way of stopping. Unlike my van, now I can stop. All right, now I think that that's it for today. My brakes are done, I had a swim, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.